Many people holiday from the day. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm going to on a long back ride at the long back ride to the duty near Wigan. Yeah, duty near Wigan. It's maybe took me tomorrow the half hour the 2 or 3 or most 3 yes, I at the base. I know you boo. Yeah, you are. Yeah, at the base. To leave. Me, I'm going on the from here to sit there, going on canal. All the way on the canal. Yes, now. Yes. The on canal to the now. Yeah. The echo the on canal that way and to the back here. It's maybe it took me tomorrow 1 hour, 2 or 3 or most, or maybe 4 the actual long party. It may be for 20 miles or 30 miles. Me, I got 30 miles or 40 miles. I know you boo. That class, I'm making a little bigger thing of everything. I know no bad. Better come on in because you're going to be good. Better be.